Hey everybody, Mrs. Mercier here. I'm going to show you how to use Symbaloo Learning Paths. On your iPad, you should see an icon with this little owl guy, and when you open it, it's going to ask you for your session code, which you're going to type in. If you don't know it, it is in the basket at your table. Click Join, and then you're going to type in your name. And then you're going to click Log In. Now, what's really cool about this is that you have to remember how you typed your name in, because if you don't finish today, then when you come back, it's going to remember where you left off. So if you use a capital letter when you type your name in, you have to remember that. I highly recommend it anyways. So you can see how far I've already gone, and it's going to show you where you started. And so really, I'm just going to go back for a second so you can see when you hover, it'll say stuff like start here. So I'm going to click it. I'm going to read it. Once I've got it, I'm going to click got it. And it's going to start the game for me. In the background, and you can actually see down here, it's moving me along the game board. I'm going to read next section. On the iPad, it's just a little blue arrow, and then I can watch the video. If you understand the video, you can move on to the next section. If you don't understand it, watch the video again. So once it plays, it'll give you like the little replay button down here. You can replay it. If you've got it, but you just want to check with somebody, check in with somebody at your table just to make sure you're on the right path. I'm going to click ahead just a little bit. Not that I want you to do that, because I want to just show you one little piece. So part of the game board, aka Learning Path, is that there are quizzes built in, or like little check-ins. And when you answer it, so you need to read the question. You need your library card to A, check in your books, B, look for books on the shelf, or C, check out books. When you choose the answer, it will tell you if you got the answer correct. Good job. It'll give you any points. So you can see down here that right now I have 5 points. And if you didn't get it correct, it will give you an opportunity to retry it. So once you've gotten one, you'll know which one it's not. Some of them will give you multiple options to check off. And just because there are multiple options does not necessarily mean that all options are correct. And then when you're ready, you can continue. It's really kind of cool. Have fun. Yeah, have fun.